The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers right throughout the world. Now, there is a video that is out on social media that had been brought to my attention, viewers and subscribers, and this video shows of a police officer that is located in Philadelphia, United States of America. This police officer put handcuffs on a man after he asked that man for some form of identification. Now the man refused to give the police officer identification and lead it to where the man had been handcuffed by the police officer. Now this video shows of other police officers that had arrived on the scene, viewers and subscribers, and this video is out on social media where some people are saying that it is police harassment. Now viewers and subscribers, I am going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, is it police harassment or not? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, observe.
You get off me, bro. I ain't giving you shit, nigga. What you doing all this for, bro?
Yeah.
What is all this for? What is all this for? What is all this for? That's what I want to know. What is all this for? What is all this for, bro? What is all this for?
Don't give him no ID, bro. You ain't got no reason to get out the car asking for ID.
Don't
give him no ID.
Where's your ID? You get on my hand? Where's your ID? No shit, you're doing all this for, bro. You all hype for none, bro. Like, get on my hand, you all hype for, bro. Stop resisting.
Ain't nobody resisting, bro. Cut your lying shit out, bro.
Bullshit, nigga. Who the fuck is resisting, bro? Yo, why you put this shit too tight for, bro?
He a scumbag, that's why.
Yeah. I know, he mad as shit for no reason.
You know he used to get bullied back in school. You know how that go.
He mad for no reason, bro. I'm
gonna walk over and record. I'm gonna walk over and record. I'm gonna walk over and record. I'm allowed to record. Fuck you talking about? Yeah, hell yeah.
This shit crib, right?
Yeah, this is my crib. They can't do shit right here. Really fucked up.
This is crib. He ain't gotta leave it.
This gangster shit.
They gangster shit.
Yo, yeah, go, there go, there go. Yeah, there go. I got it. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it.
Yep. We caught that. We caught that.
Put whatever you want. Stay back while you do it.
Well, what's his badge number? Hey, Gordo, what's his badge number, Gordo? 4597? 4597. He on some bitch shit. He wait till all y'all got here to start swinging. Turkey for real.
Hey, it's soft.
Turkey ass, swinging.
Baby shit.
He wait till all the boys in blue get here, start swinging. He's by himself. He was scared. He was scared to touch him.
Everybody's got work. I don't know who you're talking about. Whoever the fuck's talking about.
Ain't nobody hearing you, right? Ain't nobody hearing you, bro.
You tough. You tough.
Won't speak gay.
What you eat this morning?
Won't speak gay. It don't matter. He ain't do shit. It don't matter.
I can take you in and get it. I can take you in.
We salty as shit. You got to let him go.
What's your date of birth?
Gotta let him go. He think he about to get off early. You gotta keep working all day.
He's sick. He been bad all morning. He ain't done some shit. She must have given him last night.
It's gonna be a long day for you. It's gonna be a long day.
Just gotta level up, buddy. That's all.
34-33. It's gonna be a long day for that John.
Yo, that's crazy. They really be acting like a gang, though. I thought they were supposed to serve and protect.
They pussies.
No, they really a gang, yo. fucking with us like for no reason. I thought y'all pay y'all taxes to pay them. That shit like we can stay anywhere.
It's cool. It's cool. That's their job. Our job is to fuck them over.
We're not even trying to be smart. We're not trying to be disrespectful, nothing. But he really was following us the whole time.
This guy, right? Look at him. Like, he look like a bitch.
Like you try to punch on him.
He look like a chick.
You got some pussy last night? You got some pussy last night?
No, he ain't getting it. That's the problem.
Probably was at my house.
He ain't getting none at all.
She said, man, this nigga ain't swinging, right?
Yeah. What's his badge number, yo? You gotta zoom in on his badge number. You gotta zoom in on his badge.
4597.
Yeah. You gotta zoom in on his badge. He punched him. We recorded everything. You got it? Yeah. He punched him right in his. I got everything. Yeah. He punched him right in his face.
It's on camera.
Yeah, that shit right on camera. You gotta take his badge number and all that. Civil lawsuit.
He got a camera on too though.
Yeah. Oh, you can count? Oh shit. You can count? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, this is the gang, y'all.
Counting y'all. Count y'all.
I mean, we have one.
Y'all still ain't tough.
Look at
Y'all still ain't tough. Y'all ain't got us beat.
Look at this redneck. Look at this redneck.
Look at him. Somebody told him how to count. It's gonna be a long day for them. I ain't got nothing to do. I'm off today.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a long day.
It's
gonna be a long day.
Viewers and subscribers, if you should ever find yourself out on the road or, you know, party, anywhere you're at, whether club, anywhere you're at, and you have been approached by a police officer, right? And the police officer say, hey, show me some form of identification. Now, maybe, you know, I'm saying maybe you have a right to ask him, look, why do you need my identification? You see me? Now, if the police officer look at you and says that you match a description that they are looking for, or you look like somebody that they are looking for, you try your best and give them some form of identification to clear your name from that description or that person that they said that they are looking for. You see, you don't want you to be seen as that person that matched as to the description that them said that them get of somebody that is wanted by them, the police officer. So since you might look similar to that man in any way possible, just show your identification and try and make sure you clear your name. If you not have your ID on you or your driver's license or any way if you identify yourself at the time, look at them and say, look, I can give you something at certain point of time, or you can actually give me a phone call because somebody to bring something come or something, but try your best and clear your name. You get me? Now, in most countries in the world, if you match a description that they are looking for, like somebody that is wanted by the police officers, you know, by the law of a lot of countries throughout the world, their law is that you can be detained and bring to a police station where them can either wait on your identification or them scan you some way through some system, fingerprint or whatsoever. You understand what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers, right? Because remember, you match a description of somebody that is wanted, somebody that they want. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, bear in mind, viewers and subscribers, that I do not know every country's law in the world. I don't know every law to every country in the world, viewers and subscribers. I say most countries are a lot of countries due to the fact that some countries deal with certain things in a different way to other countries depending on the law to that country. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? So that's why I say a lot of countries. But in many countries or a lot of countries, you can be detained, right? Bring into the police station because you match a description that is wanted or you look like somebody that is wanted by them, the police officers. The part where we take the phone from the man and throw the phone on the ground that way, well, that part is, you know what I mean? That part is the part where a lot of people on social media is talking about. You know what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? But you don't know, me Dancehall Skilla there for keep you up to date and posted. You know, me bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because it is out on social media where some people is saying it is police harassment, and me just show you the video and you see some things that had happened, you know. So you can just look at it and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and don't forget to read some of the comments, as some of my viewers and subscribers will leave some comments in the comment section that can be very informative, as well as I myself can leave comments in the comment section that will keep you up to date to the video that I have posted to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.